Hey, it's Cameron from WeStock. In this recording, I'm going to go through how to visualize and how to segment your audience. These are two really critical tools once you capture enough consumer data just to make it more actionable, especially when marketing and sales teams are working together. Being able to visualize on a heat map where your audience is, being able to segment and really refine those segmentations into actionable lists of where those consumers shop are key pieces of what makes WeStock different and how WeStock brands utilize the data to increase their market share and tell really impactful sales stories to retail buyers. So going here on the Explore segment, I would definitely implore you to watch the audience video, which we talked about uploading your audience. That's going to be the first step here. When you get to the Explore tab, from here, you'll have a few different things of how you want to visualize this map. So you can go into here and you'll see a couple of saved segments, but you'll see also your canned segments, which are marketing opt-ins, requested audience, rebate opt-ins, confirmed purchases, and then total audience, which I'll stick with now. You can also go and kind of change how it's displayed. So the chloropleth map is great, but also maybe you want a little bit more of a heat map. This is great for like distribution. If you're using a DSD, if you're in K here, you're in UNFI, and you want to talk to your rep about like, hey, we need to activate this DC. This is a really great map to be able to show like we have demand here. There's consumers here. We can satiate the demand that's in this market, and we have support to launch here. Like this is a great map to be able to show that. If you want to layer in some demographic and income data, you can as well. You can kind of see what that breakdown looks like there too, which just makes it a little bit more actionable. Segmentation is critical. So you'll see this brand has some saved segments here. But what I'm going to go do is I'll create a segment here, and I can name the segment whatever I want, right? Let's say Whole Food shoppers. I can add a description, Whole Food Market shoppers 2025. And I can put in a filter date. Let's just say the past 2 years. And this will then allow me to do a few things. I can pick the locations if I want to. I can ask where they participated in. So this will be different campaigns. Maybe it was a BOGO rebate, or maybe it was a request form or survey. I can ask kind of where they came in from. I can also put in where they shop, right? And so this is Whole Foods. So let's go and let's say shop at Whole Foods. And great, you'll see this segment update. So I have 1,100 people. 1,100 plus people that shop at Whole Foods for this. And then I can also pick purchased at. So I want to say, hey, they shop at Whole Foods, but they purchased at Target. What's that look like? Okay, great. I have 550 customers. And it's a very specific use case, right? I want to go in and tell the Whole Foods buyer, hey, we're in Target. We have customers buying us here, but they actually prefer to shop at Whole Foods. We'd love to be able to be at both stores that they shop at. And we think there's enough demand here to get on your shelves. Like that's a really strong consumer-led story, which comes from your ability to segment that audience into something a little bit more actionable. If you did want to break that down, I'm not going to do that here into demographic profiles. You can, but I'm going to save that. And then I'm going to go here to visualize. And then now I have that map saved. So I can see, hey, actually that story is really strong for Texas and for California. Okay, great. I'm going to reach out to the regional buying offices for those Whole Foods. So that's how you use the Explore tab and the Segment tab to really take the data that you've been collecting with us and use it in an actionable way for your sales story. And then once you set up those segmentations, this map will just get bigger and bigger and more robust, and your sales story will get stronger and stronger. Thank you.